Guten Tag, Lee from Source with a Toyota Prius 2012 model, where we have replaced the, let's say, the poorly fitted Japanese aftermarket type unit, and we have now replaced this with a KENWOOD DMX7722DABS. So this unit, obviously from the name, you've got DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, we've got the DAB aerial up on the windscreen just there. It's quite nice, small and discreet. We've got steering controls on here that if I just see the volume turning up and down. See mode, then switches through to radio, so the mode buttons work. And we'll just go through all the way through back to radio. This vehicle had semi-N, let's say slightly cheaper camera that would be fitted to this, so we've just retained this for the customer as it still works fine. So there you go. It's actually not a bad picture, to be fair. And back into neutral, and obviously from the menu on here, so you can see you've got DAB, Apple CarPlay one's connected, Android Auto, and you've got your Bluetooth connection there. So I'm just going to that bit. You've then got obviously Bluetooth streaming, a few different more options, USB socket for music sticks or plugging the phone in for Apple CarPlay or Android. But obviously this is also a wireless CarPlay unit, so this will do Apple CarPlay without you having to plug this in. Can't retain the USB socket on this car, so we've basically just in the glove box, oh, wrong one, top one, you've just got your USB socket just in the glove box there. Thank you for watching this video. For any more information, please contact us on 0114 257 1550. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao for now.